Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Got a new addition to the shop here. I'm gonna get this unboxed. It is a tool cart from the Temu. A little smaller than I imagined, but it always seems to be that way with Temu. Had to chuckle at this box. No pedaling. A picture, no feet. That's something you should put on a bicycle, no pedaling. This is what they give you for instructions also. So it's just one page assembly sequence. I think most people can figure out you start out the bottom and work your way up. So here we go. So this thing is 24 inches by 14 inches by 30 inches high. And I don't know how many. I think it's 3 shelves, one at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. So we'll take a look as we go. So it got 3 shelves. Looks like it's got a bag of casters and bolts, a handle, and the uprights. It's a little bit kind of scuffed up. It's not really packed the best, but you know, you kind of expect that when you order from these places. And I think it was $37, so not like it's a lot of money, you know, but I needed a little cart around here, just set tools on and move around. So anyways, keep on going. So these casters come with it. They're about maybe 3 inches in diameter, 2 3/4, and they got 2 of them have a brake on them, and then 2 of them are non-steerable. And that comes with a bunch of the hardware, these small screws. So as you can see with this hardware here, it's just nuts and screws. There are no lock washers, and these are not locking nuts, so it is going to be susceptible to vibrating apart after you use it a bit, unless you use some Loctite. So I'm using my DeWalt impact driver and my metric crescent wrench. So, and I don't even think it's a crescent wrench. It's just some Crestology or something like that. Yeah, there we go. Crestalloy. There we go. So one thing you have to be aware of is that you cannot put the screws in that direction on the steering casters. They hit, so you have to turn them over like this. So because I didn't like the idea of having the jagged part sticking up in the cart, but it's can't go this direction, so the screws have to go upward. So we got the wheels on the cart. Next thing I guess is the uprights. Well, getting the sides put on it, and then I'll put the handle on the swivel caster end. This is the solid end here. So moving along. Well, hey guys, it's all together, and I think we're doing good. I think it'll work for what I need it for. I just need to hold some tools and be able to move them around a little easier, and then get a little clutter off some of my benches, I think. So I think it'll work, and you know, it's like most Chinese things. I think it's made out of recycled oil cans or something, but it's pretty thin metal. But hey, you know, it'll work for what I need. So take it easy. $37 on Temu.